Hi, my name is Shirley and today I decided to record this Divine Locks review to help you with extremely relevant information. I also have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to say. The first thing you need to know about Divine Locks is, be careful with the website you are going to buy Divine Locks from, as Divine Locks is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. Okay, I understand you were in a rush, so I'll go straight to the point. But what is Divine Locks after all? Divine Locks Complex is an entirely natural dietary supplement that supports hair growth. It is a supplement that helps strengthen your hair follicles, thus providing you with healthy hair. It is available in the market in the form of an easy-to-consume tablet. Divine Locks Oral Dietary Supplement is a preservative-free and stimulant-free hair growth product. It penetrates quickly to your hair cuticle and starts the process of developing a healthy scalp. The Divine Locks Complex formula is revolutionary in maintaining your hair shine. Its formulation consists of 28 goodness-packed ingredients that play an important role in restoring your hair vitality, thus providing you with thicker hair and youthful hair. Divine Locks Oral Dietary Supplement is a preservative-free and stimulant-free hair growth product. How does Divine Locks Complex work? Divine Locks is a hair growth supporting dietary supplement that helps lock your inner beauty in individuals. The powerful formulation of this product helps improve your hair health. What are the natural ingredients used in Divine Locks? Divine Locks composes of several organic and natural ingredients that can give your hair health a boost and promote the growth of healthy, voluminous, and shiny hair. How often should I take it? You take 2 capsules a day, ideally with meals. You can either take them at the same time or spread them out throughout the day. How long before I see the benefits? It takes time for your dermal papillae cells to unpinch and proliferate. But not long. Studies show it takes about a week for your cells to see a difference. As your dermal papillae cells grow, more nutrients and oxygen will be able to reach your hair follicles. Within the first month, you should see serious results. We're talking shedding reduction of up to 80%, or even higher, thicker hair at your roots, regrowth in areas you haven't had hair for years and much more. Don't be surprised if your stylist has some very kind words to say when you next see her. Attention! You're never at risk. Your order is backed by 180-day 100% money-back guarantee. Your order is processed by clickbank.com, the world's most trusted internet retailer, using advanced encryption. You will receive access to the entire program immediately. There are no shipping charges. So, I recorded this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site where you are going to buy Divine Locks. And second, this program has already been proven to work for many men and women across the world. If you have any questions you can leave it in the comments below. I will be happy to help you. Remember, if you want to purchase Divine Locks at an exclusive discount, I've added the link to the official website in the description below this video. Thank you guys and don't forget to like this video so that this information reaches more people. Bye.